Guys, I'm gonna do a quick bike check. First of all, I have DK Racing bars, DK Stock lock-on grips, Shadow Conspiracy bar ends, Tangent, not Tangent, Tektro V-brake lever, Tangent axis, number plate, DK Racing forks with kind of small block 8 tire. Then for the rims, they're just DK. Everything on the wheels are DK. And then I have DK Racing Moto seat, customized seat post. It's cut down and sandblasted, and just DK seat clamp. Then I have DK alpha pedals, low profile, Connex Whipperman chain, or Whipperman Connex chain, with DK Racing 44 tooth sprocket with DK social cranks. That's what the hub sounds like. V-brakes are Tektro with DK Racing hub, Tangent, chain tensioners, 3D dropouts. Again, kind of small block 8 tires. Front load stem, DK. This is a T6 6061 aluminum frame. The bike complete comes as 23 pounds or something like that, and it now is 21.8. Thanks for watching my bike check. I'll have my other bike up pretty soon. Take it easy, guys.